and brittleness. Activity 1. To show that metals are malleable and non-metals are brittle. Things needed: small pieces of aluminium, copper, iron, coal, pencil lead, sulfur, a block of iron and a hammer. Method: we take a piece of aluminium metal, place it on a block of iron and beat it. With a hammer, we must take care that we do not hurt our fingers while hammering. We find that the piece of aluminium metal turns into a thin aluminium sheet without breaking at all. Similarly, we observe copper and iron also flatten due to hammering and turn into thin sheets without breaking at all. However, the coal piece, pencil lead and sulfur piece broke into smaller pieces and then formed powder when beaten with a hammer. Conclusion: metals like aluminium, copper and iron can be turned into sheets without breaking when beaten with a hammer. Metals are said to be malleable, whereas non-metals like coal, pencil lead, both are forms of carbon. Sulfur are turned into powder when beaten with a hammer. Non-metals are said to be brittle. Ductility. Most of the metals can be drawn or stretched into thin wires. The property which allows the metals to be drawn into wires is called ductility. Gold and silver are among the best ductile metals. Non-metals are not ductile. Luster. Most metals can be polished and have a shiny surface. This property is called metallic luster. The shiny surface of metals makes them good reflectors of light. Because of their metallic luster, gold, Au, silver, Ag, and platinum, Pt, metals are used for making jewelry and decorative articles. Non-metals cannot be polished like metals. They are dull in appearance. Hardness. Metals are hard due to their ductility and malleability. For example, iron metal is very hard and strong. Due to this, iron metal, in the form of steel, is used in the construction of bridges, railway lines, machines, etc. Non-metals are not hard or strong. They easily break when a large weight is put on them. Only diamond, a form of carbon, is the hardest naturally occurring substance. Conductivity of electricity. To show that metals are good conductors of electricity and non-metals are poor conductors of electricity. Things needed: an electric cell, an electric bulb, a key, connecting wires, copper piece, aluminium piece, iron nail, coal piece, sulfur piece. Method: we make an electric tester by connecting a cell, an electric bulb, a key and connecting wires to test whether electricity can pass through an object or not. We connect an iron nail in the circuit. We will notice that electric bulb glows. We will notice that the electric bulb also glows in case of materials made of aluminium and copper. We connect a coal piece in the circuit. We notice that the electric bulb does not glow. Similarly, the bulb does not glow in case of sulfur also. Conclusion: metals like iron, copper and aluminium are good conductors of electricity. Non-metals like coal and sulfur are poor conductors of electricity. All the metals are good conductors of electricity. Silver metal is the best conductor of electricity.